Welcome back, YouTubers. This is part 2 of the polishing process on the CBR 600RR here. I went ahead and did the polishing here on this part here and here. As you can see, it's a big difference. I did this little here. I don't know if you can see that. It's this one here is the 0, and then this one here, I did the last of it. This is the 00, just like the sandpaper. It's the steel wool. This is the bag here. This is the bottom part of it. I haven't done that part yet. But as you can see, the difference there with the polishing of the steel wool and the non-polishing of the steel wool. So it's definitely a big difference. Alright, thank you. Comment, subscribe, like, leave a comments, and tell me what you think.